Hi everyone, welcome to the Christmas episode. Although this year was quite tough for many of us, we wanted to make this day a bit more special by helping you create a holiday atmosphere. Go! This Christmas, I hope everyone will be able to spend a quality time with their family and friends. So whether you are staying at home or have plans for this day, this video will make your day a bit more festive. So today, we will be doing a Christmas makeup. Yay! We will also try to share some important tips that could be helpful for your Christmas makeup. Without further ado, let the magic begin! Before I move on to the makeup, I'll prepare my lips first. I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics Hydrating Tinted Lip Balm. Next step, we'll be preparing our skin using mist. It's important to properly hydrate the skin before applying foundation for a clear and even application.
Then we will move on to the foundation.
The product I will be using is from Hera Black Foundation. It has a great coverage and doesn't look too heavy on the skin. I like applying foundation with my fingers first. I will spray the mist on the sponge first. The one that I'm using is from Real Techniques. Don't worry, I'll be using a sponge to blend this all in a second. This way I make sure the foundation will evenly spread on the whole surface of my face. For eyebrows, I will draw the shape using the eye pencil and fill it in with a lighter shade Brocara. As you can see, I like to draw my eyebrows in a straight line first, fill in the empty parts and then brush. The Brocara I'm using is in a lighter shade than my brows, so I will try to just use a little bit first because using too much of this product can make the look a bit overwhelming.
Moving on to the next step, which is concealer.
Just follow the shape of the brows to make it look a bit cleaner and then blend it all in using the sponge. We can't forget to cover up the blemishes. I'll be using a brush to apply the base shadow first. I'll be using these cool light shades as shown here. Just apply all over the lids and apply it on the crease and under eyes. Then I will use this orange pink shade and blend it all together with the rose eyeshadow. Next, we will take this brown color and draw a bit more vivid lines within the shadows that we used earlier to create this deep gradation.
Now I will try to do the same thing to the inner corners of my eyes.
Then I will use this bright shimmer color right in the middle of my eyelid and right under my eyes. Here is what we have for now, but this is just the beginning.
The best way to apply the shimmers on your eyes is using your fingers. Tap here. You want to get as much as possible because it's Christmas and we want to shine. There was one tap. We are doing second tap and many more. Tap, 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 tap as much as you can. Take more. Now using smaller brush, I will apply the same shimmer but underneath my eyes. So the thing with the shimmers, if you apply to the inner corner of your eyes, that makes the gap much wider. In my case, my eyes are already wide enough, so I'm not gonna apply right inside, but I'm just gonna do it under my eyes. They are full of two tones of shadows and shimmers. We are moving on to the eyeliner.
Just draw a straight line along the lashes. The difference between the eyes is quite big. This is how the eyeliner changed the look. Now, the most difficult part of this video, the lashes. As you can see, they are already separated, so it's comfortable to glue.
이거랑 이거.
Now I will be curling the lashes using this mascara and curl it again. Seems like we lost the footage of the second time curling. Moving on to the blush right away. I'll be using the same blush that I used earlier on my eyes to make the look complete. Next step is the shading. I'll be using this 3-in-1. I will take the lighter shade and use it around the nose. And then with the help of bigger brush, I will apply the product on the cheekbones. The next step is highlighter. It is important not to overdo this. Just apply a little bit on the cheekbones first and then middle of the nose. Lips. Finally, I will remove the balm that we used earlier and apply a lipstick. I'll be using the pink shade first and then some brighter shade on top of it. Apply the base color fully on the lips and apply the red color just in the middle using fingers to blend it in. And we are done! Now let's go and celebrate! Thank you all who stayed with us until here. I hope you liked this small Christmas makeup tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them down below. Hope you have a great time and stay safe. We'll see you next time. Bye bye. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.